Welcome guys, in this video we will take a look at the hyperlink and actions, okay, in insert tab. Now this is our hyperlink and action. Right now it is grayed out, it is disabled, but if I just click on any text or any shape, both of these options will enable again. Okay, now if I just click on this hyperlink, now one thing I want to tell you this is that hyperlink work on any type of text or any shape or any image. Okay, so if I just click on this hyperlink, I can add my hyperlink to this text. You can also add hyperlink to any shape or any image. Okay, now the first thing here which is existing file or web page. Now you can add hyperlink to any existing file or any web page. Whenever I click on this host one, I will move to any other file or any other existing page. Okay, after that the next thing is place in this document. I can move to other places, like I can move to the first slide, last slide, okay, second slide, third slide. Okay, but I'll select another existing file. So I will browse here and I'll select this image. So whenever I click on this host one or this text, I will move to that image. Now in order to preview this, we have to play our slideshow. Okay, now you can see if I just click on this host one text, I will move to that image. Okay, that image is being open here. Okay, and now I can run my slideshow as usual. Okay, now it is not limited to text. You can also apply this hyperlink to any image or anything in PowerPoint. Now let's take a look at the action. Now action is very similar to hyperlink. You can just add any hyperlink here, okay, like hyperlink, and you can also add to move your slides. Okay, you can change to other slides. You can also add your URL to any other web page, or you can also add any other file. But there's one difference. With hyperlink you have to click on your image. Now it also works here in action, but there's another option called mouse over. Okay, if I just select mouse over and click on hyperlink, okay, now if I just add other file, okay, I will add this image. Okay, if I just click on OK and play this right now, you can see now in order hyperlink to work, we have to click on this host one text. Okay, you can see we just click on this and image will open here. But here in action, if I just move my cursor on top of this host 2, you'll see it will open this image. Okay, and I'll close this. Now it also work on any other shape. It is not limited to text only. For example, if I add another shape here, okay, I will add this arrow. I will create this arrow here. Okay, I can also add this action or hyperlink to this arrow. Okay, so I will click on action and hyperlink, and I'll click on next slide. Okay, now whenever I click on this arrow, I will move to next slide. It will work as a button. So I will play this slideshow. Okay, you can see if I just click on this arrow, I will move to the next slide. It will work as a button. Okay, now that's it for the hyperlink and action. Thank you for watching.